This is the world around us, interwound. We live in cycles of cause and effect. Today I walked in soft dirt and left tracks. Today I listened for a sign. Today I pushed something over, and it fell. I turned to see its indent on the ground. Now this is impact, a transmission of meaning, of a moment shared, a change with a reason. The world acts upon us. We impact the world. We are rooted things. We weave each other in time together. We ask, what gives rise to advancement? What spurs action? This curiosity is threaded through a foundational presumption. Inherent in those questions is causality, the very process of one thing affecting another, and it seems to be inescapable. Even at our loneliest, time holds promise for future exchange. Is there anything that lies beyond the structure? Something that, with all our possible power, would still be impossible to affect? Where does our world of impact end, and does another begin? Is there something that we will never reach? The answer, yes. The division is drawn at our cosmological event horizon, a barrier built by empty space, expanding faster than light speed. Why is a rift of empty space so impenetrable? It has no density, no strength, no power. However, it requires an impossible motion. At its simplest, causality must follow some footstep of contact. Let's simplify the link between cause and effect into the travel of a single photon in a vacuum, the fastest path of connection. Nothing can move through space faster than light. But space itself can expand faster than light, and if it does, such as at a cosmological event horizon, the photon will never cross from cause to effect. It will be stuck, forever crossing a gulf expanding at a faster rate than its travel. Either side will never be in causal contact. Any light emitted now, any current attempt to impact the horizon, will never reach. So how do cosmological horizons arise? We can trace back expansion to its relative beginning, the inflationary era of the Big Bang, 10 to the -6 crucial seconds where the size of the universe underwent more than 100 doublings. Space was definitely expanding past light speed, though any matter is forever bound under the constant. This rapid growth arose from the inflaton quantum field, which, left unperturbed in vacuum, is still associated with energy. This energy, called vacuum energy, seems to contribute to a positive cosmological constant and resulted in the accelerated expansion of the universe. Though the rapid inflationary period was brief and space began slowing after, approximately 4 billion years ago, the expansion began accelerating again, spurred by dark energy. As our universe continues expanding faster, more objects cross our cosmological event horizon and enter the realm of the unreachable, the unknown. Usually, we imagine the unknown as an indefinite state, a place of possibility, yet to be known, to be illuminated in our minds. It is paired with teeming anticipation. Yet here, the very probe into the murky other side of a cosmological horizon, the very act of shining light, will never land. The parcel or wave of light will never reach. Here, we have the absolute unknown. We know for sure we'll never know, and it isn't a matter of time. In face of a horizon we cannot look past, what are the mechanisms that enable what we can see? Look how we are entrenched in light, knowing the impossibility of some travels, a single proton's crossing of the cosmological horizon. We find that possibility resides in our whirlwinds of movement, grand, minuscule, natural. Suddenly, Once abstract notions become embodied, our quest for knowledge is composed of contact, movement, probing, executed on the properties of particle paths, paths that never reach the other shore. There is an absolute limit to how much we can know, drawn in the universe with a physical event horizon. We will never get to know or see all that we desire. That essential predicament of the human condition comes down to the laws of physics.